day number 1. We are finished.
Alright everyone, we have come to the last day of our Christmas crafts, and today we are going to be going all out. We're going to be using lots of shapes today, and we are going to be making a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And we're going to be using lots of shapes. We're going to be using triangles, ovals, circles, rectangles, lots of shapes. So you can start by having a little palette stick here. You're just going to need one. Well, if you're making one reindeer, you just need one palette stick. You can use your googly eyes, these two googly eyes, which are circles. A red circle for Rudolph's little nose. You're going to need a triangle. I cut it out of a brown piece of paper. An oval for his body, and 4 little rectangles for his legs. So let's get started. You're going to need some glue, tape, whatever you want to use, and I'm also using 2 matchsticks. Now these are not to play with. These are just to put as the reindeer's antlers on the top of its head. So we're going to start by putting Rudolph's stomach onto our palette stick. I'm using tape today, so I'm just going to put tape right down the center of my oval and just place it right there. Yeah, that looks good. So about almost to the end of your palette stick, you can place your Rudolph's oval, his body. Then you can take your triangle, add a little tape or glue, whatever you're using, and just put that at the top. You can leave, try not to leave any of the palette stick exposed at the top, right? And then you're gonna add your little legs, Rudolph's legs, and you can place those just by adding tape. So you can start at the bottom, put his legs in there. There we go. If you want to, actually let's place this to the top. So it looks a little nice. Like that. Right. There we go. Nice. And then you can add his arms. So this I'll use some clear tape and just put that across. Same thing for the other side. There we go. So we have our Rudolph's body. It's all ready, so we can work on his face. And of course we need some eyes. So here's where your glue comes in, and you put your 2 dots for your eyes, of course. And at the point of your triangle here, that's where you're going to put Rudolph's red nose. So now that I put my glue, I can start placing my eyes and my nose. Look at that. Now we just need his antlers to the back. So you can just flip your Rudolph over and just put a little piece of tape to the back, or glue, whichever you prefer. I'm just adding a little piece of tape just to secure Rudolph's little antlers, like that. Let's go, that's done. Flip him over, and he's all ready to go and have a good time. So there we go. We have Rudolph, our red-nosed reindeer. I hope you enjoy making this craft, and we'll see you next time when we start our new term and have lots of content for you right here on our channel. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. We have lots more coming for you in 2021. So enjoy. Bye.
Great job, everyone. I hope you did all of our 12 days of Christmas craft. Keep watching TriniKidsTV, and I'll see you right here in 2021. But be sure to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss a single video that we post during our holiday season. Alright? Bye!